friends. Welcome to Knowledge Katta. Today I have brought you an exciting session to accelerate your career. In this video, you will come to know which are those online courses freely available and with valid certificate. In this lockdown, I would like you to take the maximum opportunity of time. So let's knock down the lockdown with new learnings. What will you learn? You learn to make the best use of lockdown to sharpen your skills over 15 days. These courses are available online for 15 days. Basically, it's a 15 days program. In this, you will learn to communicate, present, you will improve the behavior skills to create an impact in interviews and workplace. You know very well, in interviews, having good skills are very important. Here also, you will come to know how to write effective resumes and having good group discussions and interviews. So, friends, without taking much of your time, let us see what are those courses available. First is Communicate to Impress. Here, you will enhance your verbal and non-verbal communication skills. Second is Deliver Presentations with Impact. Here, you will learn how to prepare and make engaging and effective presentations. My dear friends, you know that presentation is an important part of your professional life. Giving effective presentations make your client happy and help you to grow professionally. Third is develop soft skills for the workplace. How to develop the soft skills to achieve better results? For that, you need to go through this course. Course 4, Gain Guidance from Career Gurus. Here, let me tell you one thing. You will receive a strategic insights from companies' business experts to make a hard start in your career. They will call you, they will guide you, in fact. Write a winning resume and cover letter. Here, friend, you will understand how to create a strong resume and cover letter. It is very important in everyone's life. Being a student, being a professional, being a fresher, to grow in life, resume is must, and to make it impactful, that is more important. Course 6, Stay Ahead in Group Discussions. Friends, let me tell you one thing is that there are 4 steps in the interviews. One is your aptitude test. Second is group discussion. Third is personal interview. So, third is technical interview. Fourth is personal interview. So, here you will come to know why group discussions are conducted and learn to participate. Course number 7 is corporate interviews. Here you will come to know, you will understand how to attend and excel in corporate interviews. Course number 8, Learn Corporate Etiquette. You will learn common business etiquette followed in corporate setting. So these are the courses which are very important for those who are fresher, those even are undergraduate, so that they can start early. Those who are professional, they can also think about it. As the courses are freely available, I think you should take the advantage of the time which you got fortunately. Crafting a professional email with impactful content and strong subject line is the key to success. And that's what this course will definitely teach you. Course number 10, Learn Corporate Telephone Etiquette. You will understand how the etiquette to be followed during a work related telecon. Then course number 11, Understand Accounting Fundamentals. Understand the principles and the concepts of accounting with an interview of financial statements. My dear friends, those are interested in accounting, fundamentals of accounting, this course is very important to me, very much important. Course number 12, Gain Foundational Skills in IT. Yes, Here you can develop your fundamental or foundational IT skills by listening to TCS tech experts. Course number 13, Understand Artificial Intelligence, Part 1. Here, here you will understand the history and the definition of AI, that means artificial intelligence, and the different approaches to AI. Course number 14, Understand Artificial Intelligence Part 2. Here you will understand what are the agents, specifically intelligent agents and rational agents, the concept of bounded rationality and various agent architectures. So friends, let me take you on the actual websites of these courses. Here, this is the site which provides you the free courses, the foundations of your career, your professional life. Career Age, knock down the lockdown. Friends, you might be knowing TCS is one of the world recognized company. It's a Tata Group company providing the consulting services, and TCS Ion is one of the strategic business unit of TCS. They have started this initiative. You can see here the session is 2 weeks, 12 hours per week. As I told you, you will learn all those things which is mentioned over here. If you go down, you will come to know the duration of the courses are 15 days, and those are online courses. You can attend anytime as per the convenience. Who would get benefit? Yes, undergraduates, graduates, postgraduates, freshers. Course syllabus, module 1, module 2, module 3. There are 14 modules as I explained to you. And after 14 modules, day 15 is an assessment wherein you have to give the answer to the questions. Yes, my friend, there is an online exam for every module, and if you clear that online module, you will get a recognized certificate. See, this is what the certificate is. This certificate sample is provided by TCS, and that is valid. Valid means that is recognized by the interviewer. Now, how to approach, how to get the courses freely available to you? You have to put your name, contact number, email ID, and submit it. Friends, there are other courses available on TCS. These courses are also very useful to you. Let us go to home page. Say friends, after coming to home, here you will get to know what are those courses apart from the Career Age. Communication skills, free by TCS. Interview skills. So these are the number of courses which are available free of cost, and you can take the opportunity. Apart from this, there are paid also. Apart from this, there are paid courses also, like software engineering, industrial practice. So these are many courses you can explore as per your convenience and grab the opportunity. Thank you very much.